Hello, in this video section we discuss wave equation in free space, that is electromagnetic wave equation in free space. In free space there is no charge or current. Rho equal to 0, charge density is 0 and current density J equal to 0. Maxwell's equation in free space are: first, div E is equal to 0. Here that is rho by epsilon 0, 0 by epsilon 0, that is equal to 0. Second, divergence of B is equal to 0. Third, curl E is equal to minus del B by del T. And fourth one is, that is del cross B is equal to mu 0 J, J is your 0, current density that is 0. So first term is 0 and second term is, that is mu 0 epsilon 0 del E by del T. So these are the Maxwell's equation in free space. Now we apply curl to equation third, taking curl to third, we get curl of curl E, this is equal to grad div E minus del square E, and the right side is, that is curl, that is del cross of minus del B by del T. This side is RHS side, right hand side. Now this is equal to minus del by del T of del cross B. So this is minus del by del T, del cross B, and del cross B, that is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del E by del T. So this is equal to minus mu 0 epsilon 0 del by del T of del E by del T, that is del square E by del T square. Similarly, we take curl to equation fourth, taking curl to fourth, we get curl of curl B, this is equal to grad div B minus del square B, which is equal to right hand side is, that is mu 0 epsilon 0, or you write del cross mu 0 epsilon 0 del E by del T, this is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del by del T of del cross E, and del cross E, that is minus del B by del T. So mu 0 epsilon 0 del by del T of minus del B by del T. We use third. This is equal to minus mu 0 epsilon 0 del square B by del T square. We have div E equal to 0. First relation, div E equal to 0 and div E equal to 0 and div E equal to 0. So now we put, that is div E equal to 0 and div B equal to 0 in this case. So first one is, that is div equal to 0 means this is minus del square E, minus del square E is equal to minus mu 0 epsilon 0 del square E by del T square, or del square E is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square E by del T square. So this is the wave equation for electrostatic waves in free space. So this is for electric field. Similarly, we get this one is div B equal to 0, so minus del square B is equal to minus mu 0 epsilon 0 minus mu 0 epsilon 0 del square b by del t square, or del square b is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square b by del t square. So these are two waves equation for electric field and magnetic field. Let us find the speed of electromagnetic waves. To find the speed of plane electromagnetic waves, we know that E has three components, that is Ex, Ey and Ez. So it can be written as I cap Ex plus J cap Ey plus K cap Ez. So del square E can be written as, that is del square Ex is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square Ex by del t square. Del square Ey is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square Ey by del t square. Del square Ez equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square Ez by del t square. So these are the three components. Similarly, for a magnetic field, we have V equal to I cap Bx plus J cap By plus K cap Bz. So wave equation are del square Bx is equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square Bx by del t square. Del square By equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square By by del t square. Del square Bz equal to mu 0 epsilon 0 del square Bz by del t square. These are the three components. So total is 6 components. So the components of E vector and B vector satisfied the wave equation. The components of E vector and B vector satisfy the general wave equation, that is classical wave equation, that is del square psi is equal to 1 by b square del square psi by del t square. So psi can be Ex, Ey, Ez or Bx, By, Bz. So comparing this equation with this classical wave equation, we can write, that is mu 0 epsilon 0 that is equal to 1 by b square. This implies b square equal to 1 by mu 0 epsilon 0, or b equal to 1 by square root of mu 0 epsilon 0. Now putting the values of mu 0 and epsilon 0, so b can be found, that is 3.00 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which is the speed of light. C is called speed of light. So plane electromagnetic waves moves in free space with speed of light. So this is about wave equation in free space and speed of electromagnetic wave. So thank you for watching.